Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're smoking up a juicy, flavorful pork tenderloin, keto style. This is one of the easiest and tastiest ways to enjoy barbecue while staying low carb. We'll start off by getting our smoker going. Then preheating it to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's preheating, we will trim off the excess fat of our pork tenderloins. Then coat them generously with your favorite keto spice rub. Make sure to cover all sides. I also have a recipe for this on my channel if you need one. Place a tenderloin on your preheated smoker. Smoke until the internal temperature hits 135 degrees Fahrenheit. This is when the magic happens. Next, baste the tenderloin all over with your favorite keto barbecue sauce. I have a recipe for some barbecue sauce on my channel as well if you need one. Then return the tenderloins to the grill and continue to cook until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the tenderloin from the grill. Let the meat rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. Then slice into that perfectly smoked pork tenderloin, juicy, tender, and full of flavor. Serve it up with your favorite keto sides, and you've got a low-carb barbecue meal that everyone will love. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below with your favorite smoker recipes.